Mikey said he wants that kind of ice cream cake for his birthday.
Oh, really? It is good.
Is he feeding him that?
No, but he wants it so bad he's freaking out.
He's got all his limbs going. Everything. He's reaching with his toes, he's reaching with his fingers. He's got long fingers.
You should have seen his face a minute ago.
He's like, I will get this. Hold still, Dad. Hold still. Bring it a little closer. Just.
He's like, wait, if I pull this arm, it'll bring the bowl closer.
He's all swollen and everything. He is. He wants it. Aww. Did you try the applesauce?
No, not yet.
Let's go get it. I'll feed it to him. Let me get it.
You can get it.
Feed it up.
Yeah, it needs to be nuked a little bit.
A little bit. Oh.
And he's like, alright, this isn't funny anymore. Time to try the waterworks. Usually works. Cry, get what I want.
He's pulling your hair, isn't he?
Scratching my arm. He's doing that great.
Oh man, he got you. Poor kid. He's licking his lips. Give it to me.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Not as sorry as you're gonna be.
Yeah.